Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're tackling delicious dinners you can make in just 15 minutes. No more hours at the stove. These recipes are all about speed, flavor, and making your weeknights easier. We're not cutting corners on taste. We're unlocking the secrets to fast, incredible meals. Get ready for spicy shrimp tacos, lemon garlic pasta, and more. All quick, fresh, and satisfying. So, aprons on and knives ready. Let's transform your dinners, fast. Are you ready? Let's do this. Why are quick meals such a game changer? It's not just about saving time, it's about transforming the way you approach dinner, and even how you feel at the end of a long day. Because life is busy, and dinner shouldn't be a casualty. When your schedule is packed, it's easy to let healthy, delicious meals slip through the cracks. With 15-minute meals, you reclaim your evenings, more time for family, relaxation, or just catching your breath. Imagine sitting down to eat together, even on the busiest nights, without stress or guilt. Fast doesn't mean bland. High heat, quick cooking locks in vibrant flavors and keeps ingredients fresh and lively. You get meals that are colorful, aromatic, and full of life. Crisp veggies, juicy proteins. Speed actually makes food better. The textures and tastes are more exciting, and every bite feels satisfying. The secret? Prep everything first, your mise en place. So cooking is smooth and stress-free. Fewer ingredients, bolder flavors. When you're organized, you can cook with confidence and creativity. A squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, a pinch of chili, simple touches, big impact. These little additions elevate your meal from ordinary to extraordinary. You control what goes in, so these meals are healthier than takeout or frozen options. You can skip the extra salt, sugar, and preservatives, and focus on real, wholesome ingredients. Quick meals mean less processed food, more nutrition, and way more taste. You'll feel better, and your body will thank you. It's about maximum flavor, minimum time. You don't have to sacrifice taste for speed. These recipes prove it. Cooking should be fun, not a chore. When meals are quick and easy, you can enjoy the process and even make it a social event. These recipes bring joy back to your kitchen, no matter how busy you are. You'll look forward to dinner time again. Once you master quick meals, you'll never look back. It becomes a habit that makes every week smoother and more delicious. Delicious, home-cooked food is possible every night. You just need the right approach and a little inspiration. That's a skill for life, one that brings health, happiness, and flavor to your table, every single day. First up, spicy shrimp tacos, ready in just 15 minutes and absolutely bursting with bold, zesty flavor. These are the kind of tacos that turn any night into a celebration, whether you're cooking for friends or just treating yourself. Start by grabbing raw, peeled shrimp. Fresh or frozen both work great. Pat them dry thoroughly with a towel. This step is key for getting that perfect golden sear and locking in all the juicy goodness. Toss your shrimp with a generous drizzle of olive oil, then add smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and a good pinch of chili flakes. Don't be shy with the seasoning. This is where the magic happens. Give everything a good mix so every shrimp is coated in that spicy, aromatic blend. While the shrimp soaks up those flavors, whip up a quick, vibrant slaw. Shred some crisp red cabbage and carrot, then toss with creamy yogurt or sour cream, a big squeeze of fresh lime juice, a pinch of salt, and a handful of chopped coriander for freshness. Mix it all together until you've got a crunchy, tangy base that's going to add texture and brightness to every bite. This slaw is the secret to balancing out the heat from the shrimp. Next, heat a pan until it's almost smoking, add a splash of oil, and lay in your shrimp. Cook them for about a minute per side, just until they turn pink and curl up. Don't overcook, or they'll get rubbery. While the shrimp cooks, warm your tortillas in a dry pan or directly over a flame for a little char and extra flavor. Warm tortillas make all the difference. Slice up a ripe avocado and prep some lime wedges. The creamy avocado and tangy lime are essential toppings that take these tacos to the next level. Now, it's time to assemble. Start with a warm tortilla. Pile on that crunchy slaw, top with spicy shrimp, creamy avocado slices, and finish with a big squeeze of fresh lime juice. That hit of acidity ties everything together and makes the flavors pop. Don't skip it. In under 15 minutes, you've created a fresh, healthy, restaurant-quality meal that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Perfect for busy weeknights or impressing guests. The colors, the aroma, the sizzle. This is fast food done right, with a homemade touch that makes it truly special. It's healthy, exciting, and something you'll be proud to serve. Dive in, take a big bite, and enjoy every spicy, tangy, crunchy mouthful. Stunning. Next up, we're making lemon garlic pasta, a dish that's elegant, incredibly simple, and best of all, lightning fast to prepare. This is the kind of meal that feels special, but comes together in a flash. Perfect for busy weeknights or when you want something delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. Start by bringing a big pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Choose spaghetti or linguine. Both work beautifully for soaking up the zesty sauce. While the water heats, slice up plenty of fresh garlic, a bit of chili for gentle heat, and chop a generous handful of fresh parsley for brightness. In a cold pan, pour in good olive oil, then add the garlic and chili. Gently warm everything together, letting the oil slowly take on all those wonderful flavors without burning the garlic. Cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente. And don't forget to reserve a mug of that starchy pasta water. It's the secret to a silky sauce. Transfer the drained pasta straight into the pan with the infused oil. Add fragrant lemon zest, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, chopped parsley, and a splash of that reserved pasta water. Toss everything together vigorously. Watch as the sauce turns glossy and clings to every strand, coating the pasta in flavor. Season to taste with salt, cracked black pepper, and finish with a drizzle of extra olive oil for richness. Serve immediately, topped with more fresh parsley and a generous shower of grated Parmesan if you like. In just 15 minutes, you've created a bright, flavorful meal that feels like a real treat. Simple ingredients, big impact, and minimal effort. This is weeknight elegance, made easy. Proof that a quick dinner can still be absolutely delicious and satisfying. Time for a chicken stir-fry, colorful, crunchy, and done in 15 minutes. Slice chicken breast thinly, toss with corn flour, soy sauce, and white pepper. Prep your veggies, broccoli, bell peppers, and spring onions, all cut to similar sizes. Mix a quick sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and rice vinegar. Heat a wok until smoking, add oil, and sear the chicken, just until golden, then set aside. Stir-fry veggies for a couple of minutes, keep them crisp. Add chicken back, pour in the sauce, and toss everything until coated and glossy. Finish with spring onion greens. Serve over rice or noodles for a vibrant, healthy dinner. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. This is stir-fry at its best. For our final dish, a caprese salad turned into a meal with grilled chicken. Butterfly a chicken breast, pound to even thickness, season and grill on high heat, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Let it rest while you assemble the salad. Slice ripe tomatoes, season with sea salt, and arrange on a platter. Tear fresh mozzarella over the tomatoes. Scatter plenty of basil leaves on top. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of balsamic glaze. Slice the rested chicken and arrange over or beside the salad. In under 15 minutes, you've got a fresh, balanced, and utterly delicious meal. Simple, quality ingredients, maximum flavor. There you have it, 5 stunning dinners, all ready in just 15 minutes or less. Spicy shrimp tacos, lemon pasta, chicken stir-fry, and caprese salad. Proof that quick can absolutely be delicious and satisfying. Try one this week, or try them all. Transform your weeknight meals with these easy recipes. Share your creations and tag me. I want to see what you cook and celebrate your kitchen wins. If you loved this, hit subscribe for more quick, flavorful recipes and fun kitchen inspiration. Thanks for joining me. Now get cooking, and I'll see you next time for more tasty adventures.